Hey, I'm David Mullinex, and I'm going to be preparing surgical instruments and supplies today. So I've got my laceration pack here, and I'm going to go ahead and go through what each of these instruments is. I've got 3 pairs of large hemostats here. I have 1 pair of small hemostats. I have 2 toggle clamps. I have 1 pair of mitts and bombs. I have 1 pair of sharps. I have 2 forceps, 1 blade holder, a needle rack, and a needle holder. I have my radiopaque gauze as well as my chemical indicator. And I'm just going to go through and inspect each of these for cleanliness. And I'll go ahead and stack it while I inspect them. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that there is 5 pieces of gauze on either side. Okay, there is. If there was not, I would take a piece out or replace a piece, and I'll go ahead and put my chemical indicator there. Okay. As I'm inspecting these, I'm looking in the grooves, I'm looking everywhere, making sure there's no blood, and make sure that they do function properly. And the way I'm going to stack them is I'm going to stack them from largest to smallest, trying to keep it as organized as possible.
No, it's actually a lot of inflammation.
So all these instruments have been cleaned beforehand, and we're just packing them up to get them ready to go into the autoclave.
Okay, you got it. You got it.
Honestly, yeah, I would think so. And the other thing is, our anti-inflammatories also, I don't think we have any blood pressure on them. Or
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and wrap the pack. I'll straighten it up just a little bit.
Good. Well, he's very sweet. He's a little timid, but he's very sweet. Oh, well, he's.
Okay, I'm going to start by starting at the bottom, folding over, and creating a tab, pointing at the way in which it will be open. I'm going to try to do this as neat as possible. Then I'm going to come from the left and go over to the right. And I'll be making a tab pointing to the direction it will be open. Do that again from right to left. With a proper tab pointing in the direction it will be opened. Once again, I'm on the last little bit here of the inner layer, and I'm just going to come around and I'm going to tuck it into itself. Being sure to leave a tab on the outside. Okay, once the inner layer is completed, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the outer layer, and I'm going to do it the exact same way. I'm going to start at the bottom, come over fully, and I'm going to make a tab, pointing in the direction it will be opened. Go ahead and do left to right. Once again with a tab, and right to left. tab. And the final bit. And tuck it in. Okay, and I'll be leaving a tab. And then I can get my autoclave tape here and label it for the contents, which is going to be the lacerations pack. And I'm going to put the date and also my initials. Okay, now when I do this, I'm going to go ahead and make a tab on the tape to make it easier to open. And I'm doing that by just folding the tape back. And I'm going to cover up the tab here, so when you do pull the tape, the pack will open. Okay, and that's how you prepare surgical instruments and supplies.